Hi guys, today I want to go over what's the difference between vector and raster PDFs or images, which will play a big role if you are doing takeoffs or digitizing stuff. So here I have an example of a raster image. It can be a PDF or image, right? It doesn't really matter. The difference is when you zoom in, as you can see, there is lots of, first of all, you can't read the letters, numbers, the lines are really not crisp. It's like they are distorted, so you would get that when you scan a plan or the old style plans, right? When you scan a plan, you get all these little dust particle which will create those black pixels. So it's just the black and white, black and color pixels, but there is no additional information. It's just the different colors of pixels which are placed into the file. Now on the other hand, when you have a vector PDF or vector image, when you're zooming in, which I'm gonna find out how you do, as you can see, the letters, the numbers are crisp. You can see the lines are crisp, and that's a huge indication, because actually this PDF carries all that information about those lines and text in it. So as we go forward with some takeoffs or some digitizing, you would see how that comes in handy and how is it gonna save you so much time going forward. Like, for example, look at these contours here. You can see the contours, how they are nice crisp. So there is a huge potential when you bring them into the business center that you're gonna be able to connect them, you're gonna be able to utilize that information. So that's just kind of like a explanation between vector and raster. So vector, nice crisp lines, crisp images, the actual file carries in it all the information, the relations of between this line and this line, is that distances and all that stuff. Raster is just basically scanned copy where you are just working with pixels. So you have a black pixel, white pixel, blue pixel, but that has no correlation between each other. There is no relationships. There are no information stored in that file. Now, as I told you, example, so the vector would be that it was printed from a CAD software, just like Business Center or different CAD softwares, they can print, so those lines are crisp and that information is embedded in the file itself. Raster ones are basically, you just put it on a scanner, scan it, and there is no information, it's just a picture. Hope you found that informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment, and we'll see you next video.